Today, we're creating a smooth, slow zoom in effect using the built-in zoom lens feature. No keyframes needed. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and select the clip you want to enhance. Now tap on Effects and go into Video Effects. Head over to the Lens tab and scroll until you find Zoom Lens. Tap to apply it. This effect is applied directly on your clip and you'll instantly see that slow cinematic zoom starting to take shape. To fine tune it, tap on the effect in the timeline. You'll see two sliders. Speed, use this to control how fast or slow the zoom in happens. For a slow, dramatic feel, keep the speed low. Range, this defines how much the zoom increases. Lower range for subtle movement, higher range for more noticeable zoom. And that's it. You've got a clean, slow zoom in effect added to your video in just a few taps. Perfect for highlighting subjects, building drama, or adding motion to static shots. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile tutorials.